East Khasi Hills, a gem in the heart of Meghalaya, is one of the 12 districts of this lush and hilly state. It is home to a rich diversity of crops, people, and farming traditions. Established in 2010 under the Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare and funded by the Indian Council of Agricultural Research, KVK East Khasi Hills works at the grassroots to uplift farmers through research, training, and technology demonstrations.
The KVK is an institution where we test technologies that may be ideal for our specific agroclimatic conditions, keeping in mind the existing cultivation patterns and the preferences of the local farmers. Alongside, it is also our mission to promote such technologies that are sustainable for the environment and use optimum resources. Based on these principles, this KVK has encouraged our farmers to take up the integrated farming system
and incorporating other important enterprises such as natural farming, post-harvest management, custom hiring centers, and others.
To address the challenges of monoculture and small farm holdings, KVK introduced an integrated farming system or IFS, blending natural farming principles with diverse crop and livestock integration.
Yang ka farm jongah ne, cakap jongah ne, nalai itu modal jongka integrated farming system kan. Tengok mulakan thoblang nanduk kami jingri, risniang risiar ridok hari masih. Tungka sebok layo ban le ikniki vermi compost.
We have imparted trainings and demonstrations related to vegetables, fruits, and also flowers. And we've helped not only farmers but rural youth, inspire them to set up or to start their own business pertaining to agriculture. Initially, the farmers were mainly practicing the traditional ways of cultivating vegetables and fruits and flowers. But with the intervention of KVK, with our technical guidance, we have been able to guide them towards the scientific package of practices. We've got the technologies from IHR, ICAR, from IRI, and this has really helped the farmers and has really improved their livelihood, their income. We've also introduced crops which suit the agroclimatic conditions of the region, and this has really helped the farmers. This has improved their farming condition. The new seeds coming directly from the institutes, this has helped increase the yield, and also at the same time it has increased the BC ratio.
Sembajur komisar saw, sembah saw arka abhat, arka samrat, arka raksyak. Kita kilajai nang taki motor bantungi ka natural farming.
Saya kiri ngai usok saw katis ru ka bang bha. Pala pher bak kini ki isok saw ki barep kini ki beri sini kan. Kita usok saw ngirep mangi bla pher bha. Na office ki bikir ngiyo using sembai. Teh abang ngila yo ni using sembai. Teh kala ya rap bun bha ngi bang itung itu using seneru. Teh u ya hap bha. Tengi mentau senam ngelayo kambun bau sing
ladangi I be ya kicu ke sembai ki barim si barim klem dayo ban penthamai biang ka jingmi jongki ka khamduna ladangi pendon kam pada kini ki lat ki bathamai ngiyo da ki sembai ki bathamai ka jingmi ru ka khambun.
In this village, we have conducted a participatory rural appraisal, and we have found out that in this village it has the potential to promote fisheries. Apart from composite fish culture, now we are advising the farmers to go for integrated fish farming system, pond-based integrated fish farming, that is along with piggery unit. We advise the farmers also to go for jalkun, rearing of fingerlings in jalkun. Normally jalkun is meant for water storage. We have seen that there is a lot of jalkun also has a lot of potential for rearing this fish fry to fingerling stage.
Tirngayo ki jingrap sembai dokha ki jingbam kamtam ke jinghikai hi ke kamkongsan. Tenang ta ngalayo ban sedang nang ta te ngayo ruban nang penhe nang ribun ngi dok ha
kini ka pung dok ha jongi ngila kumtu kala yat kumtu si arsnem lesnem kumtu te kini kam risni long kumta hi namar ba kini kisniang bi dok ha gi la long ha ta kom ba iyo aji mutoy naga sebo sniang ngi ai bam gi dok ha man suangi ngi sinai sem sniang sautli kamera te nala jo yerap kumtu ngila yo jirap te mentang ngila kampen he syuk iron setai hadu kan riu tili kamera mentang sana
When visit I officer natin na KVK sini I nga bang ale I kini ki adalah cili ki pungret basule di kenja terpal ai bang ale ki azola nang tai ki dok wit te I tu tai la truai ngai tu ka jalkon te da ora ita jalkon I ong balne ita karin mata harvesting kan long ban tu ria ko polior da slap te portlang pat ngi sini mo ko do telang bajang ka tu ngi yo nai jur batung portlang ta.
Post-harvest management are a major issue. However, post-harvest management reduce the loss and wastage of agriculture produce in such a way improve the incomes of the farmers. One of the post-harvest management technology which we had popularized is zero energy passive cool chamber. So this technology was developed by ICR CAZRI. In 2017. We have tested this technology in the farmers field and we found that this technology has been helpful for the farmers by saving their produce from that would be perish before it reached the market.
Tung mengikut lupa kita kong no, tenangi obo kita kayeng, kaba kila ai ka KVK, tenangi obo ang tu, tementar us ingi bu ang tu, dang ada kolot ni bu ang tu.
Here in the Krishi Vigyan Kendra East Khasi Hills district Upper Shillong, we are developing a 0.3 hectare of IFS unit, a pond-based IFS unit with the support from ICR Atari Zone 7. We have here in this land poultry shed, piggery shed, the fish pond, and we have trellis for creepers. We have a trellis for an orchard, especially kiwi fruit that we are growing. Then we have area leveled and arranged for horticultural crops such as pea and other cole crops, and we have one azola unit for that will suffice or that will supplement the feed for both the piggeries and the poultry sheds.
The farmers of the district as well have benefited a lot through the KVK intervention, whereby we have tied up with a number of ICR institutes who under their TSP plan have been able to provide these farm implements, hand tools, the advanced hand tools which help the farmers in working the farm, in preparing the field, in weeding, in harvesting, and all the operations related to the agricultural sector.
Te kitiar baki ay natin na po akrup jongiruk la ayang ihado laisien. Hadia kataro ngi nakakrup jonging la soyo jong mentoy sibun na benta kini kitiar kamtam kini gibor masin ban pu iki lengka ban thong jing thong madangim la ban penerkam la jongro ngin aiwai sawai kanang wangi yo jong mentoy hakakrup.
As a KVK, we have actively tried to promote the integrated farming system. With the encouraging results that we've had with our partner farmers, we now plan to take the integrated farming system to a larger group of farmers, and we hope that with the integration of the integrated farming system, the small and marginal farmers who will be benefited largely in terms of economic advantage and preservation of the environment.